Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is digrifwr, which means comedian. Digrifwr. As in, mae on yn digrifwr. He's a comedian. Digrifwr. Comedian.